Here's our first example of subtracting fractions. Remember, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, you have to have the same pair of pants on those fractions. You've got to have the same denominator. And we have our technique for finding that common denominator, that common pair of pants. We said we were going to multiply the denominators that were there, and then we're going to divide that answer by the greatest common factor. What's the largest factor that 15 and 20 share? And that largest factor that they share is 5. 15 times 20 gives us 300. 300 divided by 5 gives us 60. So the common denominator that we want to use in this subtraction problem would be 60. Now we need to build these fractions up by finding the correct multiplier. What multiplier times 15 makes 60? And that would be 4. So we have to multiply the numerator also by 4 to build the fraction up correctly. 4 times 7 gives us 28. What multiplier times 20 would make 60? Well, that would be the multiplier of 3. So we need to multiply the numerator by 3 in that fraction as well. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we can go to the next step of our procedure, and we can now subtract those fractions. The denominator of 60 will be the denominator of our answer. 28 minus 9, we subtract the numerators. 28 minus 9 is 19. We look to see if we can reduce that by finding a common factor that those two share, which they don't happen to share a common factor, and we have our solution to this subtraction problem.